Welcome back. Big development coming in from the Surat court, which has held Rahul Gandhi guilty in the defamation case. The court sentenced Rahul Gandhi to 2 years of a jail term. Rahul Gandhi has also managed to get bail in the case, but a political slugfest, a war of words has ensued post that court verdict. We also spoke to Digvijay Singh. Let's listen into that reaction.
रणनीति तय करती है पार्टी तय करेगी।
कांग्रेस के वरिष्ठ नेता दिग्विजय सिंह हमारे साथ है बात करने के लिए। दिग्विजय जी, राहुल गांधी को सूरत कोर्ट ने दोषी करार दे दिया है, बेल तो मिल गया, लेकिन इसको लेकर सवाल खड़े हो रहे हैं, क्या कहेंगे इस पर?
ये बड़ी चिंता का विषय है कि आजकल मोदी का नाम लेने में लोगों की मानहानि हो जाती है। अब ये तो अदालत को सोचना चाहिए था कि किसी व्यक्ति का नाम यदि मोदी है और यदि वो नीरव मोदी और ललित मोदी यहाँ से भाग गए तो उनके बारे में क्या बोलेंगे?
बीजेपी के नेता कह रहे हैं कि 2 साल से ज्यादा सजा हो तो उनकी सदस्यता भी रद्द होनी चाहिए। अपील कर रहे हैं क्योंकि दूसरे राज्यों में भी इसी तरह का केस चल रहा है।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी, भाजपा और आरएसएस, ये राहुल गांधी जी ने जिस प्रकार इस देश की व्यवस्था, बढ़ती महंगाई, बढ़ती बेरोजगारी, भ्रष्टाचार, क्रोनी कैपिटलिज्म, इस पर जो उन्होंने प्रहार किया है, तो वो किसी भी तरह राहुल गांधी जी को बर्दाश्त नहीं करते।
धन्यवाद। दिग्विजय सिंह हमारे साथ बात करते हुए। रंजीता झा, टाइम्स नाउ भारत, दिल्ली।
All right, that was the reaction of Digvijay Singh, senior leader of the Congress. My colleague Aishwarya is also joining us live on the broadcast. Aishwarya, this is a big judgment which came from the side of Surat court. Rahul Gandhi, the latest coming in, has managed to get bail, but end of the day, a big war of words has started between the BJP and the Congress. Take us through all the politics around this judgment wherein Rahul Gandhi has been held guilty in the defamation case.
Well, that's a big setback for Rahul Gandhi from the Surat court, but certainly the politics have started. War of words have begun between the Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party. Congress clearly had been saying that while using a surname of Modi that leads to defamation, then certainly court needs to think of that order, because they have related it to Nirav Modi and Lalit Modi. But simultaneously on the other side, the Bharatiya Janata Party clearly is stating that it is something which was expected.
Okay, Aishwarya, apologies, I have to interrupt you here. We are also being joined by my colleague Radhika, who's live with us from Surat. Radhika, massive drama taking place outside the Surat court. There were protests by the Congress cadre. Take us through what's happening there at the moment.
That's right. A lot of chaos was taking place for quite some time after the conviction. Of course, many of them have been taken away. We still have some Congress supporters. But before that, the information that we are getting from the court is that Rahul Gandhi has been sentenced to 2 years of imprisonment, which is dealing with, of course, defamation sections of 499 and 500, and that he's been given time of 30 days to appeal. So there is a temporary bail of sorts that has been given, which is why he's left the court. So therefore, an appeal will be made to a higher court within a period of 30 days, but the sentencing remains. Let me go across to a few of the Congress supporters. Conviction हुआ है, 2 years का imprisonment है, क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
ये तो सब गलत ही हुआ है ना। उसमें हुआ क्या है, आप अगर मोदी समाज की बात करते हैं, मोदी समाज तो है ही नहीं, तो मोदी समाज की बात ही नहीं। जब मोदी समाज ही नहीं है तो फिर उसके ऊपर ये गुना साबित करने का मतलब।
जी, आप कह रहे हैं ये डेफेमेशन केस पूरा झूठा है क्योंकि एक समाज के अगेंस्ट नहीं है, लेकिन आप लार्जर फाइट के बारे में बताइए, क्योंकि हमने बहुत सारे प्रोटेस्टर से बात की, उन्होंने बोला कि ये डेफेमेशन केस की बात नहीं है, देयर इज अ लार्जर फाइट अगेंस्ट टू सेव द डेमोक्रेसी, टू सेव द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन।
एग्जैक्टली वो बात आपकी सही है। ये डेमोक्रेसी को डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए तो ये कर रहे हैं। राहुल गांधी देश के लिए, मतलब कांग्रेस के ये सरकार के सामने उनकी जो नाकामियां है उसके सामने बोल रहे हैं। वो सीधे उनको
बहुत ही गलत फैसला है और बदले की भावना से किया गया हुआ ये फैसला है, या फिर ये केस ही बदले की भावना से किया गया था, और राजनीति में बदले की भावना अच्छी चीज नहीं है।
Alright, so this is vengeful is the kind of reactions that we are getting. We saw a high drama, a lot of chaos taking place outside the court some time back. In fact, most of these protesters, most of them were taken away by the police. Now there is some sort of peace outside, but the latest information that we are getting is that Rahul Gandhi has been granted time of 30 days to appeal before a higher court. Remains to be seen whether when that appeal will take place, whether that will be heard in a higher court, and if the sentencing will remain suspended post that, or if he'll get some sort of relief. But as of now, a big setback for Rahul Gandhi. Many of these protesters even going on to say that this is a completely false case. This has been done intentionally to silence Rahul Gandhi, to silence the opposition. That has been the intention, is something that time and again all these supporters had been saying. A lot of chaos was witnessed outside the court some time back, but things are peaceful at the moment. Rahul Gandhi left the court premises about 10 to 15 minutes back, and remains to be seen when that appeal will happen. But as far as the protests go, as far as the support, the show of strength
Okay,
goes,
Radhika, point taken. Hold on.